Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Code with the Scratchblocks YouTube channel, and I'm Zoris, who is the lead and founder of this YouTube channel. Let us start making a project that I think you would really like, and it's called Get the Points Through the Edges. Let me show you a bit of an intro. So it's loading a bit, and it's loading the extensions. Now let us start. So first of all, when you go to the edges, you get touching points. When you go to the green part, you get bonus points. Then when you go to these black guys, you lose touching points. And then when you go to this red guy, you lose bonus and touching, both of them points. So that's how it works. Now let me show you how to make the backdrop in this video. Then in the next part, we'll be coding the cat. So let us go to my stuff. Let's make a new project. Okay, it's going to take a bit long to load. It does take some time to load. Okay, so we're going to call it Get the Points Through the Edges number one. So this is the first game. I'm going to make another game on this, but for now let's focus on this game. So first of all, we want to go on the backdrops, like I said at the start of this video. And what we're gonna do is go on backdrops. So what we need to do is get a blue sky. So let's go choose a backdrop. Then let's click blue sky too. Yep, that's okay. We don't need this anymore. Now what we need for the black boxes is go to choose a backdrop, go to neon tunnel, then select this black box. And it's hard sometimes to do, so we do copy, then we do paste, then we make it a bit smaller. So because that looks okay. Yep, it looks okay. And then we do another one, then we paste, then we make it small. Yeah, that looks okay. Yeah, that looks okay. Okay, now what we have to do is make the bonus point line, and it's green. So what we have to do right now is go to choose a backdrop, and then click blue sky. Then we need to select this part of the grass, then copy it, delete this, delete that, then let's paste it here. Now we have to make it small. So let us go here and there. This looks okay. Let me just make it a bit bigger. Yep, that looks alright. Now what we have to do is make the evil circle guy that takes a lot of your points. So we have to do this, and we have to fill it red. So okay, so what we're gonna do is make the circle a bit big, and then touch it on the grass. We're gonna save it so none of our progress gets stolen. So what we're gonna do now is do this paint. So go on black, then we're gonna make his eyes black. I don't know if it's a he or she, I just don't care really. So what we're gonna do is do this, then do that. That's it. So that's really done. Let me just do a bit there, there. So that's done. So we have made the backdrop. Now in the next video, we're gonna code the cat that's gonna play in this. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, it's Zoris here, and welcome to Let's Code with the Scratchwork YouTube channel. And I'm the founder and leader of the company.